Hey guys, can't find application password in WordPress while using Hostinger? That is because the Hostinger plugin disables them by default and is super frustrating when you're trying to connect apps like Jetpack or anything that needs API access. But don't worry, there's a quick fix. In this video, I will show you how to turn them back on. Let's get into it. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, either directly through Hostinger or using your WordPress login credentials. By default, if you go to your user and profile, you'll notice that the application password section is missing. To fix this, go to the sidebar and click on Hostinger plugin just below the main dashboard tab. Then click on Tools, scroll down and look for the section labeled Disable Application Password and uncheck the box. Now, head back to your user and profile and you should see the application password section has appeared. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.